First, we're going to remove all the retainer clips from the plastic cover in order to remove the top cover. Then, we're going to remove the bumper trim. There are 2 bolts on each side of the fender liner. Remove the bolts, then remove the clips along the edge. Next, we're going to remove the grille. There are 7 bolts holding the grille in place, 3 on top, 4 on the bottom. After removing all the bolts, you can lift up the grille to remove it. Finally, we get to the headlights. There are 8 bolts, 4 on each headlight. Just remove all of the bolts and unplug the wiring harness. Now we can install the Windjet headlights. In the package, there's a black wire for daytime running lights. Plug the black wire into the red wire. The red wire is on the back of the headlights. Connect the other end of the black wire into the vehicle's accessory power source. This will let the headlights turn on when you turn on the car. After connecting all the wires, tighten and secure them in place. After installing the headlights, you need to test all of the functions before reassembly. After testing and making sure everything's working, put everything back together.